In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Zoom virtual background. If you're working from home, joining a class, or hopping into a quick meeting, a virtual background can keep things professional and fun without revealing what's behind you. I'll walk you through the exact place to find this setting on the Zoom desktop app and share a few practical tips so it looks great the first time you use it. Once you're in the Zoom desktop application, look for the small gear icon, often found on the home screen near the top right. That opens Settings. Think of Settings as your control center for audio, video, and personalization. We'll head there first because Zoom's background options live inside the video section rather than on the meeting screen itself, which makes it easy to set things up before you join a call. Inside Settings, select Background and Effects. This is where Zoom groups anything that changes how your video looks. It's separate from your camera and microphone controls, so you won't accidentally change your audio while you're experimenting with visuals. Opening this section also gives you a live preview window, which is helpful to see how your background will appear to others. Within Background and Effects, choose Virtual Backgrounds. This is the dedicated area for switching your background. Here you'll see the options available on your device. When you highlight a choice, the preview updates so you can immediately judge how it looks with your lighting and framing. If you're wearing a color that's too similar to the background, you might notice parts of your outline blending. In that case, try a background with more contrast to your clothing or adjust your lighting so your face is evenly lit. A few quick tips to improve the final result. Good lighting makes the biggest difference. A soft light in front of you, rather than behind you, helps Zoom clearly separate you from the background. Sitting a little farther from the camera can also help the software track your edges more cleanly. If you're on an older computer, simpler backgrounds tend to perform better than animated ones. The blur option is a great middle ground when you want privacy without a busy scene. If you don't see virtual backgrounds in Background and Effects, your Zoom app might need an update, or your device may not meet the feature requirements. Also, some organizations manage these settings for you, so availability can vary. That's all there is to it. Open Settings, go to Background and Effects, then Virtual Backgrounds, and preview the look that works best for you. Set it once, and you'll join your next meeting looking polished and ready.